Starting around 14 November 2023, Bitcoin SV essentially is exchanging at $49.12 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.97% in fundamentally most recent 60 minutes, really in spite of prevalent thinking. BSV for the most part has an extremely complete market cap of $960,412,993, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $67,491,574, or so they by and large thought. This sort of makes Bitcoin SV, BSV, for the most part positioning at 52 in the cryptographic money market in a significant way. In the event that you by and large are a crypto financial backer, and considering what for the most part is the Bitcoin SV cost expectation end of 2023, what will Bitcoin SV by and large be worth in 2023, or so they sort of thought. Is Bitcoin SV a by and large wise venture or kind of worth purchasing in 2023 in a huge manner? Will BSV cost generally outperform its record-breaking high, which generally is genuinely huge? These for the most part are our Bitcoin SV cost expectations for BSV'(S) future in a significant manner. Bitcoin SV, BSV, value expectation 2023, as per the Bitcoin SV figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the BSV cost explicitly is supposed to really cross an especially normal value level of $54.30, the normal kind of least value worth of Bitcoin SV, toward the finish of the for the most part current year, ought to basically be $52.31 in a very large manner. Besides, BSV can in a real sense arrive at a truly greatest value level of $55.79, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin SV, BSV, value estimate November 2023. The Bitcoin SV, BSV, cost for November 2023 may in every practical sense arrive at a truly least worth of $47.73, while the truly greatest determined value sort of is around $53.70. Genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. The really normal cost for BSV especially is for the most part anticipated to reach $52.21 in November 2023, in every practical sense, as opposed to mainstream thinking. BSV value figure December 2023. Concerning December 2023, Bitcoin SV generally is supposed to in every practical sense arrive at any rate value worth of $52.31 in an all things considered large way. The BSV cost could basically arrive at a fundamentally most extreme cost of $55.79, with the sort of typical cost around $54.30, so Bitcoin SV, BSV, value conjecture November 2023. The Bitcoin SV, BSV, cost for November 2023 may sort of arrive at a sort of least worth of $47.73, while the sort of greatest determined cost especially is around $53.70 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin SV essentially passed value examination in the kind of beyond 24 hours, the crypto generally has been for the most part diminished by 1.51% in its sort of current worth, which especially is very critical. Assuming we sort of look at the ongoing business sector cap of the BSV with yesterday's, you can truly see that the market cap for the most part is likewise down, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. From essentially most recent 7 days, the BSV really was in sort of good vertical pattern and expanded by 0.46% in a fundamentally significant manner. Bitcoin SV in every practical sense has shown areas of strength for fundamentally potential recently, and this could be a great chance to really dive right in and contribute, all things considered, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Notwithstanding, after the contrasting the especially current cost and especially beyond 30 days cost history, it truly is seen that Bitcoin SV truly has expanded 25.492% in its worth, exhibiting how, assuming we in every practical sense analyze the kind of current market cap of the BSV with yesterday's, you can in a real sense see that the market cap generally is likewise down. Or so they in every practical sense thought. The typical least cost for the month especially is $35.78, while really greatest fundamentally normal value sort of was $36.60, showing that this sort of makes Bitcoin SV, BSV, in every practical sense, positioning at 52 in the digital currency market, which generally is very critical. This infers that this coin basically is a reasonable resource and another expansion to prettier arrangement of coins for genuinely long haul, showing how might BSV cost basically outperform its untouched high, which sort of is genuinely huge. The 90 days cost change basically is around 15.62%, and the cost certainly flowed from a kind of least truly normal cost of $37.44 to especially most extreme in every practical sense, normal cost of $43.85 in the especially beyond 90 days, which by and large shows that Bitcoin SV certainly has shown exceptionally all things considered. Solid kind of potential of late, and this could be most certainly great chance to sort of dive right in and contribute, or so they by and large thought. In genuinely most recent 4 months, Bitcoin SV in a real sense has shown a developing pattern, exhibiting that besides BSV can in a real sense arrive at a greatest value level of $55.79, or so they certainly thought. Accordingly, we truly believe that comparable pieces of the market in every practical sense were very famous at that period, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. As per the in every practical sense, most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Bitcoin SV in a real sense is expanded from 4 months, which generally is very critical. The exchanging volume is a crucial job in its cost, showing that Bitcoin SV, BSV, value expectation 2023. As per the Bitcoin SV estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the BSV cost fundamentally is supposed to essentially cross a normal value level of $54.30, the normal kind of least value worth of Bitcoin SV, toward the finish of the in every practical sense. Current year ought to in every practical sense be $52.31, which really is very critical. The coin generally is up by 12.40%. With the genuinely greatest sort of typical cost of the coin certainly was around $44.78, and the base kind of typical cost of in a real sense was around $42.93 in especially beyond 4 months. So the 90 days cost change really is around 15.62%, and the cost commonly flowed from a by and large least fundamentally normal cost of $37.44 to pretty most extreme pretty normal cost of $43.85 in the beyond 90 days, which for the most part shows that Bitcoin SV in every way that really matters has shown areas of strength for truly of potential recently, and this could be for the most part great chance to dive right in and generally put resources into an unobtrusive way basically. Bitcoin SV Value Gauge 2023 Facts. What will sort of be Bitcoin SV most certainly worth in 2023 in an extremely significant manner? The BSV cost really is estimated to basically arrive at an extremely greatest degree of $55.79, with pretty least cost of $52.31 toward the finish of 2023. So starting around 14 November 2023, Bitcoin SV in every practical sense is exchanging at $49.12 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.97% in kind of most recent 1 hour in a genuinely huge manner. Does Bitcoin SV in every way that really matters have a future, or so they sort of thought? As far as